Now, another air fry question I've just been asked is, and this is a really interesting one because I keep seeing this coming up a lot lately, and that is, do you need to parboil potatoes before air frying them? And the answer is no, you don't. The beauty of the air fryer is the potatoes cook from raw in the air fryer. You can use the air fryer if you've got partly cooked potatoes. You would just consider that to be reheating potatoes in the air fryer. But no, you do not need to parboil first. I think the idea behind the parboiling is that that's what you did in the oven, because let's say you were making some roast potatoes, they take forever in the oven. So you would always parboil your potatoes to speed it up. It wasn't that you had to parboil them to cook them in the oven, it was just a faster method. Just like many people microwave a jacket potato for a while before placing it in the oven. But with the air fryer, you can do roast potatoes from raw in less than half an hour, whereas the oven, you'd be talking an hour. So you can understand why people would parboil there. But no parboiling needed. You would just grab your bowl like that. They're already seasoned, they're ready, they're raw, and they can then go in the air fryer. We are also the authors of the complete Air Fryer Cookbook, available now on Amazon and through our website at recipethis.com. It features 140 easy, everyday air fryer recipes, just like the one you have just watched. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, as well as following us on Pinterest and Facebook and joining our Facebook group. We are also on TikTok now, so don't forget to follow us at TikTok /recipethis.